guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to It's Just Denise and
No, Anna, it's just Denise anymore. It's welcome back to Auntie Mama and Tati Girl.
alright, she said it. Okay. So remember, guys, whenever you watch the video, you must always do what? Tati?
Like, subscribe, and hit that little bell.
And don't forget to share it out, alright? And tell a friend to tell a friend
To tell our
what?
next friends to watch it out and don't skip all the ads them, please.
Right, remember to watch the ads them, guys. Alright, and comment down below what make we know what you think.
Peace.
Oh Lord, man, it's so tea, you know. Let me have gas. Oh my gosh. No sugar in the buckle. Oh my Lord, that what me have to do. Oh gosh. Wait there. Tati girl!
Yes, Auntie Mama.
Come here, little thing.
Yeah, come.
Can't believe that sugar in the buckle. I could have seen something.
Yes, Auntie Mama.
Look here, may I make some tea and I run out of sugar. Go over Miss Nikki and tell her say, may I beg her a little sugar.
Auntie Mama, but you can't bake sugar. You can't bake sugar in it. You can't bake sugar.
But me not have no sugar, I want to mix little tea, I feel like me have gas, Tati girl.
Auntie Mama say you can't drink the tea without sugar.
No, take the cup from me now and go on over Miss Nikki and go tell her say me I beg her a little sugar. Nothing wrong with that. Go on, man.
Man, you know me how they? I'm now go over Miss Nikki. I'm gonna stand up there right there so for 5 minutes, then stay there and then tell her to Miss Nikki says she can't get her no sugar cause she just buy one. Yeah man, 5 minutes up, me I go back in. Auntie Mama,
Eh, you
Miss
get the
Nikki
sugar?
say she just buy her sugar and she can't get no time, so hold your cup. Bye.